My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. Hey man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. But as you can see, man, we are in the TRX, the baby TRX, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's one of them ones. And I'm not flooring it, you know what I'm saying? I know how I do. I just know how to, you know what I'm saying, trick the little pedal a little bit. But yeah, man, make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. But as y'all can see, we're in that big body Miyagi, is what my partners will say. Nothing too crazy. But we in the baby TRX, man, you know what I'm saying? This not the regular one, you know what I'm saying? They got it's supercharged. Believe it or not, it's just not what it is by a belt, you know what I'm saying? It's electronically supercharged. You know what I'm saying? But this mother is smooth though. Y'all peek the big screen. We got a performance page going on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know nothing about that, man. Y'all know nothing about that right there. But yeah, big body, man, big luxury. Paddle shifters, you see it? Baby TRX, man. Literally, I'm just go that way. I was finna go. Damn, I should have went that way. I was doing the right thing. I done went the long way now. But yeah, man. Y'all see we got the paddle shifter going on. Big boy truck, you know what I'm saying? It's that E-Torque. Y'all never heard of it. It's that E-Torque one, that GT. You know what I'm saying? But it's a baby TRX. Cause it really is. They got all the features as one counter. They just don't got the TRX airbag, you know what I'm saying? You can downshift it. Stick 'em. You know what I'm saying? And it is pretty loud. It's just, you know, truck cabin so big, like them mother huge, because like, and they got the leather, you know what I'm saying? Leather everything, all the sensors. So y'all can hear it a little bit. Hold on, go down a little bit. It sounds futuristic. Crazy. But yeah, man, my bad. I don't know why the brightness looking like that, so I can see everything. Hey man, what y'all think though, man? Y'all think I need to go ahead and look at this dummy? Y'all think I need to go ahead and give me a truck, man? TRX? Trackhawk? What y'all thinking, man? That Trackhawk tough. No cap, Trackhawk go crazy. Let me crack all the windows and see if I can hear something. These some big windows, by the way, boy. Big by the window. Y'all hear that supercharger a little bit? It's just crazy because the exhaust so long, bro, all the way back there. It's different with a car. Because it's way shorter, you can hear it easier. But they got a little mid-muffler delete though, you know what I'm saying? But it's not good from the outside though. But yeah, man. I see what's going on. Something slight, man. Just a little POV action. A lot of these POV probably gonna be that long. But sometimes, you know, I just be spur of the moment. You know what I'm saying? But I had to get y'all the little, I'm saying, the TRX POV. Stick 'em. I heard a little whistle that time. It's more like a whistle, bro, instead of a whine. It's very, 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 very light. Let's see. If the wind wasn't blowing so hard, I probably could. Yeah. It's crazy. Well, yeah, man. Got a little whine to it. My bad if I want holding it in the center. Or holding it like this anyway. But yeah, man, them was nice though. You know what I'm saying? Big boy screen. You feel me? Feel like you're on top of the world. Like, nah, y'all let me know though. Y'all boy want to see me in a truck. Or, you know what I'm saying? Or a track. TRS is I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's still a Hellcat. It's just like, is that really me though? Nah, a track? Ooh, boy. A track really like a car, bro. It just, even though it's big, but it moves just like a car, like literally. If not faster. It move faster than cats, you know what I'm saying, on the highway. Until a certain amount of speed, you know what I'm saying? Certain amount of speed, I want to get a little crazy. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me slide and return in the TRX. Let me roll the windows up this time, see if y'all can hear the little the whistle. I'm about to say whine. What gear we in? Oh, I see. Let's see if y'all can hear it. But look at the idiot. Look at this idiot, good. That is insane. Bro. I'm so glad, bro. What if a nigga had to turn, bro? That is insane, bro. What if a nigga had to turn, bro? That is crazy. Y'all gotta chill, cuz. Y'all boy got to chill. And it always be the maximum niggas and ultimate niggas, bro. What's up with y'all boy? Y'all straight? Like, y'all know something we don't know about them cars? Like, what's up with y'all boy, man? That's crazy. I'm trying to get y'all to hear this. They only whine a little bit when they get to high RPM. Like, it gotta be like 5K just for you to hear it, for real. No cap. But yeah, man. That's crazy. Buddy was just going like crazy through the median, bro. Insanity. But anyway, man, that's how cool this is, though. Y'all let me know, man, what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Big boy GT on the seat, man. Leather all the way around. Every sensor that you can think of. So you can hear it a little bit. I know the outside sound crazy, though. Like the exhaust. Before probably looking like, well, who is driving this car? Cause what the freak? Oh yeah, baby TRX, man, baby TRX. That's what's going on. Baby TRX. Look at cuz in the Wagoneer. What you trying to do, nigga? In the Wagoneer, nigga. What you trying to do, nigga? Ain't you from Florida too? Turn that bitch into a real wagon bitch with no horses on that bitch. Ugly ass. Hold on, boy. Man, we ain't going out like that, cuz. We ain't going out like that, cuz. What you trying to do, cuz? I'm just joking, y'all. What you trying to do, though, cuz? Hey, what you trying to do, cuz? What cuz trying to do? Oh, okay. I'm just making sure, you know what I'm saying? Cuz got a nigga bent, man. I forgot, bro. I can use the paddle shift at the bottom. I only gotta hold it at the top. Crazy. Man, this is luxurious right here, but I forgot it. But Scats came with these. and Hellcat, the cars, bro, that'd be so tough. This so relaxing, bro. A nigga, but you going crazy in the car with us. That bitch like jamming. Hold on, cuz. Look at it, cuz. Bitch jamming. She seen me recording, but we got tent though. You can't see me. You can't see me. Shout it. She's still over there dancing. But yeah, man, I forgot you got a deal right here. That's hard. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the paddle scissors at the bottom. That's crazy. I rock with it. But yeah, man, I have a little bit too much fun in this truck, bro. I ain't think I had that much fun. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at that Mustang. That bitch so ugly, bro. He ain't got no spoiler or nothing. Crazy. Try to see what we got going on, man. Listen to the wine. See, it do it just a little bit, like just a little bit, yeah. Okay then, this is baby TRS, man. 101, not one of them. Pushing by 600 horsepower. And pushing by 600 feet of torque though, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing, man. I ain't even put it in a sport mode now. Look, I ain't even hit the toe. Come on now, y'all know what that do. See, folks don't know about the truck. If you ain't driving no truck for real, I ain't even put it in this high mode. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, it's a little different now. Hold on. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, boy, look, I forgot, man. I'm almost to my destination. So, but yeah, but. Nah, boy, I forgot about that right there, boy. See, I just put y'all on game, man. Nah, boy, don't know nothing about that, man. Oh, yeah. Y'all don't know nothing about that. And we got the flow shift if I want to, you know what I'm saying, go crazy. Put it in sport. Put it in shift. Oh, yeah. Let me get through. Oh. Let me get through that. Oh, I heard it that time. Yeah, I heard a little whine, man. You just gotta be in person to hear it. I won't stop playing. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And yeah, man, like I said at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys stay safe in these streets, man. Stay blessed. You feel me? My religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. And like I also said on in my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.